today we're gonna unbox this set with you. Look how nice fairy it is. It has pink, purple, and blue hair. That's nice. And I just love this set. And today I'm gonna show you how to unbox this. You can make them a bit like this, and you have some foam pieces like this. Oh wow! Look how many things this box has. It looks so exciting to get on with this. It looks very fun to do. And you always need an adult because maybe you can get something wrong on this set. So you can have your brother with you, or you can have your adult helping you if you want. So let's open it. I have my scissors here so I can open it. Comment down below if we should start now, and get ready to be confident to see the video. So guys, we have lots of nice stuff, but they give lots of packing, so it'll be very hard to open. First of all, we need a small cut from our hand. That will help us unbox this, and then you just need to unbox it more and more. If you need your hand, you can use it to unbox it too. Or you can just use your scissors. Oh wow, it looks very nice. I like it. It has nice glitter on it too. Look at that. So now that I'm done unpackaging it a bit, I just got this down. Now we just need to open this box. That you'll maybe need to add it because maybe you can't. Here we got the instructions. Now we'll just see what's in the instruction book, and then we'll start making it. But first, we need to open the So there we have one first. Let's see. What do we do first? Number A. 1 minute. They're not telling you how to make this. Let's see what they're telling you how to make that. Let's see. It's weird. Let's see how to make it. Mom helped me to find the instructions. They were here. 1, 2. There's lots of numbers to tell you where they are. So let's begin looking at them. First, we need this bit. And we need these. And not these. We need actually these ones. These will let you put glue on them. Is this glue? On it to make it look very beautiful. And then, you know we have this diamond piece. Not to make any mess. So let me add the tissue down. I'll just look at the instructions as I'm gonna make it, and sometimes I'll speak. So first thing we need is this. Now I'll just dump them all out. You see? But I can only use one today. I'm so excited to use the rest. So we're gonna see when we'll use the rest of them. So guys, look at all the stuff. They look so nice. Let's start off with the one we need. This is not the one we need. We need this one today. So now I just need to go to the front page of this to see what to do. They tell you first to open this glue. We'll put this over here, so maybe the glue can spill everywhere, but that's going to be okay. Because you can clean it up rest. Because you have the tissue to clean it in with. You'll throw the tissue in the bin, so that's going to be okay. Stuff away. If you can see on the instructions here, they're telling you to make glue. Which one? So guys, now I'm gonna add the glue, and I even have my glitters here that will be opening. So you can see that hole in there. That's to get your glue on. So don't get this off to put your glue in, otherwise it'll be a very big mess. So you can only use it like this, and then you can just go around it. And on top, you need to get like all of these done. Like you have these ones, then you just need to add glue on all the stuff, on all 3 of them. Because you can't just decorate one and then be finished. You need to decorate all of them, like you should do. Like, look at this. These all three are together done. Not just one of them in the middle would be done and all of them not done. You need to do all. So guys, my dad brought me some glue because the other glue that the set came with was all dried. So my mom checked it if it could work, but my mom told my dad to. So now we're gonna pour this glue on. I already got the jewels that my mom needed to glue. I think these will look very nice. So I was gonna put the glue on, guys. Now that I'll start putting the glue on. So look how bright that is. That's very nice glue, guys. So as I'm done putting the glue on, now I just need to get the glitter that will be in my packet. Here. Look how nice colors. Ooh, I didn't know they had a very private glitter. That's very nice. Let's get out the glitters to see which colors they have. They're very nice ones, I think so. Ooh, this is a nice purple. I like this purple. It's very glittery. And shiny. I like the shininess of it. Ooh, guys, look how bright this blue is. Oh, guys, look at this. It's like shining, beautiful. And then the last packet we have is that pinky. A very nice pinky. It's a reddy color. Now I can decide which one to choose. So now that all the shoes are glue, scissors to cut this packet open. And then as I'm going to be done cutting this packet open, I'll just add a little bit of it on top of our beautiful. So guys, I've got my purple ready. Now I'll squeeze it out onto my glitter, but you'll need some help. So just add that on like a bit of the purple here. That's all I'll do it. Wow, this looks incredible. Now we can just make the rest. But first we just make sure the purple glitter doesn't spread everywhere. But if you do a bit of mistake, that's okay. Now I'll do the blue. Blue and purple are very nice colors as combined it together. Because then they're like unicorn colors. So just look at this nice blue. It's very beautiful. Very greeny turquoise blue. That's very nice, shiny. Like I can mix that together there. Guys, I'm done doing that. Just wash my hands with it. So guys, now I'm done that one. I'll just let it dry a bit. That'll be nice. And then I'm just gonna add some over there. First we need some glue to add some there. This time I'm gonna add these two colors over there because they'll look nice too. And we don't just use one color at one thing. You don't just put purple there. That's not. So guys, I'm gonna put this on now. As soon as we put the glitter on, we need to add these on. These jewels on. So guys, I need to be very quick at this. Not very quick, but you can just be a little quick. So now I'm just gonna cut this. I'll just open it from here, guys. My mom added it for me. Now let me just put the jewel on. Very hard to put the jewels on, so very be careful. Because sometimes you can have a mistake, but that's okay anyways. It's just your favorite bracelet. Nothing happens if it gets ruined. Wow, it's so nice! Look how beautiful it turned out. Wow, I love this. It looks so nice and shiny once you move it. Look, shiny stuff. And I love it. Just look at that purple color with blue in it. Just look. It looks so incredible and nice. Now let's do the rest of it. Add these on top. But I'm just going to open the It looks very exciting, guys. I'm not going to put it on all that glitter because then we'll have a very big mess. So I'm just going to get it out right here. Guys, look how nice. And then I'll show you how to do them right now. They look very nice once you have done. So I'm going to put it on the small one. People need to do rubbing. Put it on. Maybe if you do it wrong, it's okay because guys, look. How nice. Guys, look how beautiful it turned out. Now we just need the rope. Look. And so now we just need to tie it. So I'm going to use my mom to tie it. So now I'm just going to add this rope inserted in. First thing you need to look at this map. So guys, now I'll insert this. So look how we're doing it right now. This way just big enough as here. Then you'll almost be done. Just pull this one a little bit, as you just need to measure the size of if this will be a ring or a. So now I'm just gonna get my star out. Star. So open this packet. Tie you'll need a star. You can't just use any of them. Whatever your mom can say, you can use. Look how it's going. I'm trying to make it as a pattern that will look very beautiful. Look, I'm done my pattern. So as I'm little, this two rings will side on me. And look, it looks so. Okay, so now let's cut it from here.